It's all automatic. Hello guys, we're here again on our favorite place. We're having a hello with the Trish Maria's having a dinner. Just come here for hello Rihanna, hello Cherryberry.
That's a nice hedge there. That's not the hedgehog. Thank you, Ryan.
Pretty garden, the flowers.
Pretty.
Look at the yard.
The frangipani, look at the flowers.
Blooming up. Look what we got here. Wow. 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 First meal is done. Roast pork made by Chef Leia. Roti dishes. The chef. Hello, thank you, chef. And they're talking.
Okay, bye.
Yeah. Eat it. Mommy's. Hello, beautiful. Say something. Hello.
Say something.
Say something. Yeah. I'm good. How? Reinhard, I'm trying to talk in Australian.
Pardon?
How are you, mate?
Not bad. You, what about you?
How are you? Is that the correct pronunciation?
Pardon?
Is that the correct pronunciation? I'm trying to be an Australian slang.
You're trying to be a...
Yeah, the slang. I'm like, how are ya?
No, how you going?
How are you going?
How you going, mate? You alright, mate?
You alright, mate? The how are ya is not correct. How are ya?
How you got... G'day. How
Would you like to
How are ya? How are ya?
The yuck. You got to say yuck.
Yeah, how are ya? Yeah. Thank you, Ryan. Thank you. Always here. Thank you.
Yes. Cutlery.
Something. Food is life. Thank you. Punta lang dito kumain. Yum yum. You get that dig in there. I will do the video while you're doing it. How much you gonna get? Oh, healthy siya.
salad?
Vegetarian siya. We can put this in the side. Just let me know when you're ready to drink it, okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Here, Jerry.
Huh?
Jerry, you want to?
Then here.
Thank you.
Very curious. What's yours, Jen? What's the name of yours? Share with.
I will think about it if I can drink it.
Bon appetit.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Carl.
You'll share.
No,
Thank you.
Sit down, Ryan.
Just come here and eat with it.
Come on. Eat. Come on, patrón.
Say something.
What's that? Bakal. Just skin crispy.
Very crispy, like a lechon. Yummy than a lechon. Thank you, chef.
So on 11th Tuesday afternoon.
Huh?
Yeah. You just do we'll do karaoke.
When?
I will do it, Jen. On the 11th.
Ah, on your birthday.
I didn't like the system because it was too.
On your birthday.
Don't worry about it. Took them off. You know, there's no difference. Good. Yeah, we've done it now.
East Germany was.
Say something. Very yummy.
She's not doing very yummy.
You can see the rough
Just saying.
shoulders still. And the butter
This one. The chorizo.
And
You like? You like?
Rosario.
Rosario.
It's very yummy. It's very yummy with the
Yeah.
with the chili.
one bit, French from
And then the skin, this one here, the outside, is the pork in this side. Wrapped it. Yeah.
Really?
Try it, it's nice. Love it.
Like the ones in the east that wanted to be free.
Is that interesting?
shoot them.
Yeah.
I don't know that.
The wall wasn't there.
I thought it's a wrapper.
No, it's not wrapper. It's in pink in this kind.
Big German, yeah.
Thank you for coming for dinner.
No, thank you.
Thank you for inviting us again.
I love this. Come.
Oh, thank you.
I'm going to
The pawn shop is not open. The fish shop, no?
Here couples come from with German.
Oh, I'm sorry.
The sailors and
We're gonna turn this off now.
we've got plenty
Okay. Happy eating.
come back.
To going home, clap your hands. We have a bring house. Oh dear. Bring house. Thank you. See you in my next vlog. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Yes, we have a community pantry here. Look. Hello. You got yours there?
I got mine.
Where? Show you what you got there. Okay, you got a community. Thank you. Where's your pumpkin? Okay, bye. Let's go.
No! No!
The neighbor is sleeping.
Just letting you know.
See something.
Just letting you know.